What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel where we talk all things tech. Today we're going to be taking a look at the HP Envy 2-in-1 16-inch laptop. Now this laptop does have a pretty steep price tag, and today we're going to see if that price tag is really worth it and look at some of the different features between the 14-inch version and the 16-inch version. Now, as I said, you can get either the 14-inch version or the 16-inch version. Other than just the size of the display, there are some noticeably big differences. Let's talk about them. Now, when you get the 16-inch version and the 14th version, both base models come with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, and an Intel Ultra 7 core processor. Base specs look reasonably good for the price when it comes to laptops. But one thing to really take note of is that if you do get the 16-inch version, you can't upgrade the RAM, so you're stuck at 16. Now, vice versa, if you were to get the 14-inch version, you do have the option to upgrade it to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. So if you need a bigger display, you're stuck with 16 gigabytes of RAM. But if you're okay with taking a 14-inch display, which is pretty big in itself, then you can go to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. Now, it's not just a difference in RAM, there's also a difference in price, of course. Now, with the 14-inch 16 gigabyte, you're going to spend about $750, and with the 14-inch 32 gigabyte, you're going to spend about $900. Here's where taking that trade-off with less RAM may be worth it, because the 16-inch 16 gigabyte version of this laptop is only $670. About $100 cheaper than the 14-inch 16 gigabyte base model version. So you're getting a bigger screen and the same RAM for $100 less. Now let's move on to the display. This laptop comes with a LED display with an IPS screen, so colors will be a lot more vibrant and pop, and it comes equipped with full HD resolution. Along with that, you get 300 nit brightness, and that's pretty much all there is to the screen. But let's take a look at the charging capabilities. This laptop does take 65-watt USB-C charging, so it is going to be a little faster charging than older laptops. It also comes equipped with Copilot AI, which is Windows AI. Now, let's take a look at the physical components on the laptop. First off, it comes with two Type-C ports. It also comes with two USB ports. It comes with one aux port and one HDMI port. Along with all that, you get a light-up keyboard that is almost silent. Now, a great addition to this laptop, just for ease of use, is going to be the 2nd gen Bamboo Smart Stylus for Windows. It comes with a long-lasting battery and sleek, high-quality design for about $45. So if you do want to go to the next level with this laptop, then you should definitely get a Smart Stylus for it for that touchscreen capability. Now I will say, this laptop doesn't just look good, it is pretty good. The internals of it are of an entry-level laptop, except for the processor, which is a little bit on the higher end, or middle class high end. But for the price, you're pretty much getting what you pay for. So overall, the laptop is pretty decent. Now as for its price point, that's really up to you. Now, if it were me, I wouldn't go with this. I would personally get the new Mac Mini M4 because it comes in at about $600 and it pretty much outperforms this whole laptop. But that being said, the Mac Mini is not a laptop, it is a desktop. So that's where you get a little bit of drawback. With that being said, that's it. Stay safe.